Across life sciences, teams are working to bring better treatments to patients faster, but they are hindered by siloed data and manual workflows. For example, in large molecule discovery, scientists have to manually wrangle and review the data for binding, specificity, and developability, creating weeks or months of manual triage. As a result, more than 30% of antibodies enter development with suboptimal biophysical properties that could have been caught earlier. The solution: TetraScience's Antibody Selection Data App, one of hundreds in the TetraScience use case factory. The app assembles and prepares the data needed for scientists to immediately compare results across campaigns, generating recommended triage lists with transparent rationale, enabling faster, more confident decisions while keeping scientists fully in control. This is where the partnership between Thermo Fisher Scientific and TetraScience changes the pace of discovery. At the core is the Tetra OS, the operating system for scientific intelligence, within which the Scientific Data Foundry creates an AI-native scientific data foundation by harmonizing and contextualizing screening data. Once the candidate list is generated, the workflow moves directly into execution. Thermo Fisher's laboratory automation helps translate scientific decisions into instrument-ready action, reducing friction between analysis, planning, and experimentation, while generating high-quality data that feeds back into the Tetra OS. The approach can parallelize multiple parts of the discovery workflow. Scientists can generate binding and cell-based readouts using the Thermo Fisher Attune CytPix flow cytometer, while developability data can be generated using the real-time PCR thermal stability from applied Biosystems protein thermal shift solution run on QuantStudio qPCR. Rather than operating in isolation, these data are integrated into a unified, AI-ready view of candidate quality. For scientists, that means better context for decision-making. For scientific IT, it demonstrates a repeatable workflow that can scale across instruments, assays, and teams. By enabling binding, polyspecificity, and developability assays to be assessed in parallel, the Tetra OS, the operating system for scientific intelligence, together with Thermo Fisher Scientific's autonomous instruments and agentic workflows, enables more efficient candidate triage, improves technical probability of success, and reduces reliance on long, iterative optimization cycles, while continuously generating data that compounds back into the intelligence layer. The result is a smarter discovery loop. Each outcome contributes to an AI-native scientific data foundation that continuously improves planning, analysis, and decision-making, enabling more predictive, automated, and adaptive scientific workflows over time. Together, Thermo Fisher Scientific and TetraScience are establishing the foundation for AI-ready labs, powered by the Tetra OS, where Thermo Fisher's autonomous instruments and agentic workflows and Tetra's AI-native data and scientific intelligence layer work as a unified system to enable scientists to turn experimental data into better decisions, faster.